Minnie Driver exposes hard rain producers for wanting to see my nipples during filming. Hollywood star Minnie Driver has opened up about her experience filming Hard Rain in 1998, where she claimed she was punished for standing up for herself. Minnie Driver opened up about her time filming Hard Rain in 1998. The Hollywood actress, 54, has shockingly claimed producers working on Hard Rain would not allow her to wear a wetsuit because they wanted to see her nipples. Minnie, who was 28 at the time of filming, starred in the disaster film as Karen, opposite Christian Slater, Morgan Freeman, and Randy Quaid, centering around a bank heist taking place during a heavy rainstorm. Minnie opened up on the filming conditions on Jamila Jamil's I Weigh podcast, explaining that her fellow actors wore wetsuits under their costumes during the water scenes. However, the Good Will Hunting star alleged she was not allowed to wear one under her t-shirt by the producers, because the point was to see what was underneath it. Speaking of the physical filming conditions, Minnie recalled, "There were huge rain machines. We shot crazy hours. It was tough, it was a tough movie, but everybody else could wear a wetsuit underneath their costume. And I was told by the producers that I couldn't because they wanted to see my nipples, and that there was no point in having the wet t-shirt if you couldn't have what was underneath it," the Oscar nominee added. The actress, who was born Amelia Fiona, explained that when she challenged the producers she was made to feel like an idiot and was also punished for it. She said, "I remember saying this is wrong. I remember calling my agent. I then remember it being like, boy, people wouldn't speak to me on the set. I was so punished for it.